Bertolano receiving. Abellana. Ang lakas ng talon talaga. Ang taas no.
Parang ano
Pag nakabuelo. The first set was 9. Biggest lead of this second set right now is 10. It is all next led in this match. Gonzalez, Melatunay, and EJ Laura. Not today, of course. Tubu also. Bang Pineda from Adamson. And of course, this girl also, Permentilla. All mga Adamsonians. UST girl.
Ayan naman, pag mataas yung set
Yeah.
for...
Naalala ko nung nakausap ko sila, Coach Yani, Coach Kung Fu, nung bago siya. Very... Chris received. Good serve by Pierre.
One of the rare veteran Bang Pineda.
Hirap ng serve niya. Look at
Ganda ng
that.
survey. Contact sa bola, may bitaw agad eh.
Another girl who obviously had her bout with injuries too before. Bertolano, a little low for her. Mangulabnan opens up to EJ. Abellana says, "Squeeze me."
Kiera Abellana, look at that again from the pipe, finding the seam in between the hands of the blockers.